Hey, what's up? I thought I would just do a quick room tour. This is MAA school in Lackland, San Antonio, Texas, Lackland Air Force Base. And I just thought I would do a quick room tour, because why not, you know? So here's the front door. It's got like a heavy lock to it. There's our light switch for this and the fan. That's what a room inspection looks like. There's some information on there that I never read. That's my gear. Got a vest, boot camp towel. There's a bag from store here, duty belt, camelback, water pack for your back. That's my dresser, TV that came from my last roommate. Now it's mine. Garbage. I'm sure you're excited to see that. Fan, cleaning stuff. That's Coleman's stuff. He's my roommate. He's in class right now, so he's not here. That's his bed. I used to sleep here before I got my other roommate moved to Poland for his first command, but then I moved over to this bed, so this is my bed now. It's got a big hump under it because of my laundry. And there's my pillow. It's Spider-Man. I asked him to leave his bedding for me since he's gonna be going. So I was like, well, you're not gonna take it with you, just leave it with me, and he left it. So I washed it and used it. Texas flag, don't tread on me, Navy flag, or well, Revolutionary War flag. Now it kind of means the Navy, because we have it on our, well, not this uniform, but on the other patches they have it. Are you winning, son? Once again from my last roommate, but I'm taking that with me to Bahrain. This is my desk. I drew that picture with a girl here. That really went nowhere. I lost interest. This is my water bottle from boot camp, or hydration tool we call it. Some Cheetos. I got a pop thing for my birthday. Air Force mouse pad for my computer that I keep under my bed. Got lock desk. That's not a real Coke sign, but that's a Coke sign from downtown. A couple bottle caps, and that's me meeting Obi-Wan and my friend Carrillo. We got the side of a 24 pack. So put that up on the wall. Here's our microwave that's dirty all the time. It's Coleman's food. I don't know how he did it, but he broke the damn thing in here. So now it's broken, but what are you gonna do, right? Yeah, there's the shower shoes from boot camp. That's his closet. That's my closet, locker, and that one's empty, but I still have it anyway and put a lock on it anyway because of inspections. I don't use hardly any of this except for the Tide Pods. There's protein, the sinks, elegant bathroom mirror, which is sometimes clean. This is the bathroom. I don't know. It's a lot better than showering with 70 other people, I can tell you that much, but it's pretty much it. That's his shampoo, and I use the Head and Shoulders and Old Spice because it's the only one available at the Navy Exchange. So, and for some reason we never have freaking toilet paper. Whatever. Don't worry, we're clean, I promise. But let me show you why I never own white shoes. This is why these things are freaking ruined. I always got black shoes, and these are the ones they give you in boot camp. They're called Go Fasters, and I tucked the strings underneath here so that while you're running you don't undo it and trip and break your neck or something. I don't know, but there's my shower shoes from boot camp. That's my computer. I got some laundry that I've starting to get bad about and putting it under there. There's the remote. I hide it under here. And the key for the lockers and stuff is under the pillow, which is, I'm sure, a place nobody would ever look, even though they would. But here's the outside. Pretty solemn area. It's actually a really nice area. I like it. It's for some reason there's the trees are alive here and everything else is just like dead. And don't feed the squirrels here, they're freaking malicious. But yeah, the trees here are actually really pretty. I don't know why. But then we have a cat around here. We named the cat Senior Chief Whiskers. So anyway, that's about it. See ya.